champagne. Told me a A, I told my mother I would quit. What can I say? I'm still breathing, falling in love every evening. So we just gonna stay teenage dreamers, born this way. I told my mother I grew up. What can I say? I'm still breathing, falling in love every evening. I don't wanna sleep tonight. I don't wanna sleep tonight.
Alright, welcome back to another episode, another channel, another video. I was having a hard time thinking what I want this channel to be because it's still so new. I decided what I want this channel to be is like just kind of like a chill channel where we're like all kind of hanging out and working on the bike, you know what I mean? And so that's what I'm gonna do. And I do appreciate all the feedback, I really do, because I mean I don't want if I'm doing something that's like not what people want to watch, let me know. I'll change it up. I mean I want to be something that people look, I want to have videos that people look forward to, that people want to tune into. And I'm kind of just throwing everything I can at the wall, seeing what sticks. Oh, yep, sorry. I probably look like such a fucking weirdo with this camera on my head. So today we are going to be doing the world's fastest oil change, I think. Don't quote me, probably not, but on the MT-07. And to do that, it's because I have no more content currently right now. So I got Mobil 1 Racing 4T oil, 1040, 3 quarts, because that's what it takes. And I got a K&N filter, 204-1, which is what it takes as well. Now to do the fastest oil change, what I'm gonna do is just lay out the tools and see how fast I can do it. Okay. Yeah, I'd say that's pretty sturdy. Oh shit, man, I hate motorcycle stands. This is not like regulated, I have no idea. There's probably gonna be some dude that's quick as shit. But I have to change the oil anyways, and I thought, why not better? Goddamn, dude. Okay, and I thought, why not better than having content? So, let's do it. I'm gonna start the timer as soon as I get the tools out, and I believe it's just a 17. They're both 17s. Put that there. Ooh. So, pretty sure this is 17. Ooh. Yep. Awesome. So, put that there. I think part of the fastest oil change in the world would to have these not be open yet. Ow, dude, my fucking boxers are choking my nuts. And I'll put a timer. Trying to think. Once it starts, there's no stopping it. Alrighty, so on the count of 3, I'm gonna try to do my fastest speed run. And I'm gonna put the timer somewhere in the screen, I guess. So, 3, 2, 1, go. I don't know why I had that even on. God damn. Oh shit. Oh, that's a fuck up. That's a fucking annoyance already. Okay, I can't stop the drain. Or I mean, I can't make the drain go faster, so that's something I'll take care of while it's doing that. While it's doing that. Someone's coming. Oh, I don't have a funnel. Oh, that's stupid. Still draining, so it's okay. I don't wanna be like you, I wanna play my song. So dumb, I didn't even think about this. Not having a fucking funnel. Still draining. Before you guys say, oh, there's water in your oil. No, there's not, chill. It's old school. Old school method. It's also like 100 degrees today. Cool. So will that fit? You can kind of screw it in. Yup. That's a trick I learned. So if you take a bottle, it screws into the filter or into the hole. You can party all night long. It's still draining. I don't wanna be like you, wanna play my songs. Come on, dude. What is this? What is this? Stupid. Oh yeah. Take a little bit of this shit. Oh, nope, not doing that. That's fine. It already comes pre-lubed, but fuck it, doesn't hurt. Now. Oh shit. Nope. Okay. What else? Now we just do the drain bolt. I would say that's done. Oh, that's already hand tight. That's good. Done. I don't know how long that took, but we're good. Bro. Fast oil change, baby. Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm so stupid. I'm not fucking done, dude. Oh, no. What a waste. What a waste. What a fucking waste, dude. Done. Mark that. Anyways, thanks for watching. I really want to make this like what I do. I genuinely enjoy making videos. I genuinely enjoy editing. I enjoy creating stuff. So I just really hope that there's a bright future for this channel. Other than that, thanks for watching.
My dreams, I'm finding life is hella trill, so I ain't worried about a goddamn thing.